heading to Grand Canyon. It's been quite a ride. I think I slept for like half of it already, but it's very hot in here and very, very windy. And definitely a scenic drive. I will include some clips in here, but I am very, very excited. Cuties. They're so cute. Hi!
The person here just stopped. They look weird.
Bubby.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Okay, I would say I've seen quite a lot of places. I haven't obviously traveled the world, but this is by far, this just took my breath away. Like, it's just so insane and ginormous, and it's like any pictures and videos I'm taking right now won't do any justice. I know it's like kind of gloomy right now, but it's beautiful. I know that's not snow. I don't think that's, yeah, it's not snow. Oh my word, so beautiful.
You guys, like I said, this is insane.
That was dang in the middle of that. We're almost there, guys. My favorite type of NC is latency. Haze. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
We are headed to Sedona, and I'm going to meet with a fellow photographer to take pictures of her.